Hello dear students, this is John, your speaking coach. This is a walkthrough video through the lessons of the course in order to get the most out of each lesson in this course. Let me share my screen. As you can see, we are in the first lesson of the public speaking course. On the left, you can see this navigation bar in which you can scroll to the specific section you would like. Each lesson contains a warm-up and objectives, video content and key takeaways, vocabulary section related to the content, grammar and phrase patterns, perfect for improving your speaking delivery. The most important part, of course, which is the practice activities section, and the quiz. On the right, you can see the day and night mode toggle, and below that, there's a link for booking a one-on-one coaching session with me. Don't forget that your first session is free, so whether you're preparing for a test, you want to improve your public speaking, or ace that job interview, book your free session. Let's get started with the first section. In the warm-up section, we kind of get ourselves prepared for the content, and it's the time where our imagination flows if we allow it. For example, what aspects of public speaking makes you most nervous? Or who's a speaker you admire? Take a minute or two to jot down your thoughts and pause for a second and try answering these in order to get your mind prepared for the content. After that, we have the next section, the video content and key takeaways. The videos are usually from well-known figures delivering great insights on the topic we're learning. For example, our first lesson's topic is public speaking fundamentals, the difference between a good and a bad presentation. This section is perfect for improving your listening comprehension, and a good practice you can do is to watch these videos, take your notes, and by the end of the video, try to summarize the video in your own words. One thing I always tell my students is that you don't necessarily have to be a C-level English speaker. Just delivering that message in your own words, even if your grammar structure is wrong, is enough. As long as you practice, you're making progress, and that's something good. In the next section, we have the terminology and vocab. It's also related to the lesson's topic. Feel free to check them out. Click on their pronunciation. Audience. Check them out in a dictionary and make your own sentences with these words. A great practice for vocab retention can be writing your own sentences with these words, or if you're an advanced English learner, perfect practice would be writing a paragraph using as much of these words you can use in one paragraph and try to use it in your daily speaking practices. Going on to the next section, which I like the most, is in this section we generally learn phrase patterns related to the lesson's topic in order to improve our speaking delivery. These phrases are perfect if you want to have a professional delivery on that specific topic. For example, as this is the first lesson, we have two grammar structures here for opening the presentations and requesting the audience attention. We learn how to request the audience what to do, and we learn to hook their attention. Below that, there are examples provided.
Please turn off your mobile devices or put them on silent mode.
Try to understand the structure, read the examples, and finally make your own sentences with these phrase patterns in order to base this information in your mind and speaking delivery. Moving on to section 5, my favorite and the most important section in each lesson. This is the part where we put all the things we learn into speaking practice. In each speaking card, you can see your challenge, the scenario or an example, and a recording button. You can take these practices on your own or with a personal coach in order to improve the specific skill. And remember, recording yourself is a great practice for improving your skills, specifically if your main focus is on improving your speaking skills. So whether in front of a camera or just recording your voice, try to record the full response and then play it for review, mainly because our recordings can be a great tool for giving ourselves feedback. You'll be surprised by how much feedback you can give yourself after you review your recording and how much you can improve your delivery. Just record your response, play and review it, and then record again for improvement. And each lesson's final section is the quiz section, in which you kind of double check your understanding of the concept and what is covered in order to track your progress. Dear students, the course is fully free. Feel free to start the lesson you'd like or cover the full lesson. Your comments and ratings would be a great support and help to me. I'd really appreciate that. And as a bonus, I'm giving the first 100 students a free one-on-one session with me. So whether you are preparing for a job interview, you want to improve your speaking skills, you have a big presentation, or simply want to get feedback on your speaking skills, I'm here to help. Feel free to book your session through the link in the course. Hope to see you in the class. Let's change those nerves into confidence together. See you.